Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. We're back on Jordan's 66 Mustang. We have the radiator in now. We're routing wiring for the fan controller, so we can get everything taken care of that way. So we got a little bit more to go. Yes, relay's coming in. It's not here as of yet. We left off yesterday with the front harness being put in for the headlights, which also connects through and gives us a new connector for the alternator. So we're wiring up the alternator, as you can see. I gotta, wait. There we go. I gotta finish tightening everything up and putting the caps on and get the other two wires on, and then we'll tuck and route this in place like it needs to be. So we're just about done. So we'll get that taken care of. We've got a little bit of wiring here that we've got to fix and patch. Clamps for here and here. Got to tighten this one up, tighten this one up. We've got the heater hoses almost done. Get that taken care of. Fan is in place nice and tight, no rattle, no nothing. I have one more bolt to put in at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see that down there. Right, there we go. See the gap? Yeah, I got to tighten that up down there so that it's good. And guys, we are just about set. We're waiting on the turn signal harness to go in for the bottom because it was really bad. It had a lot of chafing. Oh, now I can show you guys. Where did we put that harness? I'm glad we save everything until we're completely done with the job. Here we go. I think I showed you guys this yesterday. We were getting burn marks, and we found a lot of them on the harness. There's one. There was an issue with that wire. We had to cut it. Yeah, the harness itself was just, it was bad. So instead of piecemealing a harness together, it's just easier to buy a whole new one because it gives us all of the headlights, the turn signals, the alternator, the horns, all of that. So yeah, that's always the best route to go. So, and yes, we keep absolutely everything we yank out of a car until the job is done and the customer tells us what to do with the parts. So, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, say hi, Boinsy. What are you working on?
Cast iron power glide transmission. Pulling it out. Needs to go to the trans guy. No real, I mean, it goes forward a little bit,
right,
but not that well. This thing's fucking heavy. Excuse me. This thing's extremely heavy.
Yes, but it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, stunning car.
This motor in here is nice and clean.
I know, right?
I strive for my Plymouth,
right,
to look this clean.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's a little clean. It's a bit, but that's a different story. I'm a little wild. What can I say?
Gotcha, right?
You see my setup?
No, I haven't actually. Yeah, you might have. It's possible. But back where we're at. So, Jordan, we are getting there slowly. We still got a little bit of harness repair to do, stuff like that, but we'll get you, I promise. All right, big guy. Sorry about the temporary update on everybody else's stuff and also yours. All right, thanks, guys. Have a good one. See ya. What do you say, Boinsy?
Deuces, guys.